Hey everyone, real quick, a tutorial on some tools you can use to deliver lecture to your students now that we're moving those online because of the coronavirus. So right now I'm using a free tool called Screencast-o-matic. I'm actually recording with it, so we'll walk through this briefly. Here's the web address. You can, of course, Google this to find it quickly, but the home page is here, and all of the functionality while you're recording works the way that it should, and there's a small circle that you see that helps tracking the mouse cursor. So click Start Free Recording. It will bring you here. This is not software that you're downloading. It is a functionality that you're utilizing through their website. So when I click Launch Free Recorder, because I'm using it right now, it's going to say can't. But if I didn't have this open and you're a first-time user, you want to click this and it will prompt you to download what's called the Web Launch Recorder. So open that up, it will do its thing, and then you'll get the ability to record. I didn't have to have IT okay this. This was, all I did was click Launch Free Recorder, download the Web Launch app, and I was good to go. So there's that. Another tool that you could use would be the Snipping Tool that's already built on or into Windows computers, and I keep it saved on my taskbar down here, but the easiest way to find it is if you search for snip, and there it is, the only option that you have. And I've taken a snip actually of what the controls for Screencast-o-matic look like. So let's look at those very quickly. Okay. Now, you can either record the screen, you can record the webcam, or you can do both. You can't change this after you start the recording process, which is why I selected both. You get 15 minutes. I would absolutely not make a video that long, 5 to 6 minutes at best. I know this is a lecture, so do those big concepts or those highlights in individual videos. The screen size will configure automatically. Before you start recording, make sure that these little bars are lighting up green in order to tell you that your microphone's picking up usable audio. And then, because this is the free version, you don't have the ability to record computer audio. So you can't open up YouTube and hope that it records exactly or as cleanly as you would want students to hear. There's some other preferences as well, and then you have an option of doing a picture-in-picture monitoring. Just one thing I'll point out is there is a preference tool in the monitoring that allows you to flip the webcam horizontal, meaning that flipped one way it would be a mirror, flipped the other it would be more true to what's going on. The utility of this is basically if you're going to try to hold some written text up for you students to see, if it's not flipped correctly, it'll be backwards. So there's that. All right. So one other tool that I would show you is, depending on the web browser that you use, I'm using Firefox. You can always utilize plugins that are available. So Firefox has a screenshot plugin itself. So all I did was right click, and then it's one of the options. So if I hit take screenshot, you'll notice that it sort of pre-highlights different components of the website. So if I just left click, it automatically groups that. Or if I click off and click again, and it gives me tools, right? I can copy this. That's what this indicates. I can download this, or I can save it up to my cloud if I'd like to, or just close the whole thing. Now, that's for individual pieces. If you want the full page, you've got the option to choose that. If you want to, simply what's visible, meaning on the screen at this moment, you can do that, and then you can access the shots that you've taken. All right. So 3 tools: Screencast-o-matic, the snipping tool that's already built into Windows, and then depending on your web browser, Firefox, for example, has a screenshot utility as well. Hope this helps you move your lectures online, and maybe you use this to develop content later on. Take care.